Welcome to the TSS-Matrix system. First of all, enter the username and password, which has 5 security levels. In this risk demo, we are going to create a plant or a mine. Obviously, many other facilities can be created. Each facility obviously will have different sections that can be broken up into folders. In this example, we are going to create an equipment folder, say for pumps, and also an equipment folder for vessels. Matrix system, as can be seen, it's very simple to use, and anyone using Windows Explorer can get on to the system very quickly. You can create as many folders and subsections of folders as necessary for that facility. The Matrix system contains many types of equipment, as can be seen here as we are adding a vessel. Each one of these items has a full international standard specification sheet. Other items, of course, can be added. Here we are adding a pressure vessel, V100, and we're also attaching a management ID for any maintenance systems linkage. We can double right click and start entering the specifications for this vessel. In this example, we're just going to add the commissioning date and the design life of this particular vessel. As can be seen, pressures and temperatures, features, and calculations on design UT. Also inspection, we have standard inspection cycles, and as can be seen here, the risk scores are empty at the moment. And we're going to put a fictitious next inspection date here. Once saved, we have a basic spec sheet. We are now going to open the risk analysis. The risk analysis module is very easy to use, and as can be seen, contains the basics. First of all, the risk factors. In this case, there are 10. Each one of these attributes can be changed. Same goes as for the prevention. Again, 10 items. And finally, consequence. Each of the risk, prevention, and consequences can be custom designed according to the equipment. This will eventually give you the probability of failure assessment, the primary criticality rating, the final criticality rating, and the relative risk rating. Under the APIs 580 or 581, also probability and consequence factors. Using a standard 5x5 matrix against probability and consequence, it is easy to then select the show matrix, and this vessel has come into the red zone, which is pretty high. We can see at the top that we have, first of all, the next inspection date that we want to plan, or when it was done, which was 2009. And at the top, the standard cycle for this would have been 36 months. However, due to the score, which in this case was rating 4, we have now decreased this to 24 months. Therefore, the next scheduled inspection was 1 year earlier. This also can work vice versa. As can be seen, it is very easy to use and very easy to customize. As can be seen, we have a red marker on here, and if we look at our list, we have the vessel inside the red zone. We can review the specification sheet, which has now been updated by the risk analysis. Therefore, when we do our planning, we can either use our standard cycle or the risk score, the risk module.